Back now on a Saturday morning with a pretty incredible story about doctors who were able to give a young Michigan girl a new ear, and with that ear, a new lease on life. Andrea Canning has her story. Nice to see you this morning.
Good morning, Erica, and that is the truth. And wait till you see the final result of this ear. It's pretty remarkable. Doctors grew Charlotte her new ear inside her own arm. She was brutally attacked by a raccoon that wanted her milk bottle when she was a baby. But the tough road back has turned Charlotte into an extraordinary young lady who could teach us all a lesson about beauty. A warning, though, some of this video may be hard to watch.
You don't always have to be perfect. Just rock what you got.
Rock what you got. That's 12-year-old Charlotte Ponce's inspiring motto. When she was just 3 months old, a pet raccoon crawled into her crib and bit off her nose, part of her cheek and mouth, and her entire right ear. Sharon and Timothy Ponce adopted Charlotte after the accident.
There's times I'll get tears in my eyes knowing that what she's going through.
I said, how do I take care of this child? And they said, just treat her normal, like a normal child.
But the Ponces say it's been hard to ignore the stares.
We were at an amusement park once, and it was one of the little kiddie rides, and all of a sudden they stopped it, and it was because a little boy got scared of her.
So Charlotte decided on her own to embark on a reconstructive journey with Doctor Chaiyasate, a plastic surgeon with Michigan's Beaumont Children's Hospital.
I think it's rewarding as a doctor because you actually bring the person back.
First, he filled in Charlotte's cheek and built her a new nose using skin and cartilage from other parts of her body. But the biggest challenge of all was how to replace her missing ear.
She has no frame, she has no skin, and the tissue around that ear is totally damaged from the injury and deep down to the bone.
What he did next was the stuff of science fiction. Take a close look at these bumps on the back of Charlotte's forearm. Underneath that skin was an ear growing inside her arm.
What was it like carrying around an ear in your arm?
It was hard at first when I came home because I couldn't hold my cat at all. I couldn't hold my guinea pigs.
The doctor shaped a new ear for Charlotte using her own rib cartilage. By sewing it into her arm, new skin slowly grew around the ear frame, essentially bringing it to life. 3 months later, the doctor was ready to attach the ear to Charlotte's head. During the 8-hour surgery, the doctor removed the ear from her arm and shaped it with a scalpel. Then he attached it to her head with the tube in the center acting as an ear canal to give her full hearing. The procedure was a success.
Could you show it to us? What do you see when you look in the mirror?
I'm a normal kid.
I heard that one of your dreams is to get both of your ears pierced.
Yep.
So I got you these earrings because a little birdie also told me that you're a big fan of owls.
Owls.
So here is the best of both worlds.
Owls! Yay! Thank you. Owl.
What an amazing little girl. And Charlotte says she wants to be a beautician when she grows up and help other patients with scars. I want to show you a photo of her with her hair and makeup done that she did on her own with the help of her sister-in-law. She says when she sees this picture, she feels like Miss America. Isn't that so sweet? And all of her major surgeries are done now, but the doctor is going to continue to tweak her nose and her ear as she grows into it, and he's going to keep forming it to make it look more and more real.
What an amazing young girl, though, to be. I mean, she seems like she must be such a strong young woman. She seems so focused.
She is.
And having gone through everything that she went through. And you were saying earlier, this will actually help her, too, sort of catch up with everyone in school.
Yeah, she has fallen behind a little bit because of all the surgeries. So now she is able, after these major surgeries are done, she can focus on school and catching up. And she's so smart. She says she wants to go to prom, she wants to get married, she wants to graduate from college, and I know she's going to do all of that.
Sky's the limit. She can do any of it. And I love the fact that she is clearly such a kind soul that she wants to give back.
I keep telling my girls, beauty is on the inside, and she reminded me of that.
So true. Such a great story. Andrea, thanks.